Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to make some super simple, I was going to say apple pinch pots, but they're not apples, they're leaf pinch pots. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So to make your pinch pots, you will need some air drying clay. Air drying clay tends to come in 3 colours, grey, brown, and you can get white air drying clay as well. So just choose whatever you prefer. Have a little ball that sits nicely in your hand. And if need be, actually I've got a little bit of water here. You can use a little bit of water to help soften the clay as you go along. So the first thing you need to do is indeed make your pinch bowl, which is literally just pinching it with your thumb and your fingers into a little bowl shape. Don't worry too much about any cracks, we can sort that out in a minute. Squish it down, literally just shape it into a very simple bowl. Now I think I've got a bowl that I quite like. I'm just going to even out make sure that my walls sort of that are not too thick and not too thin. And now I want to turn it into a leaf. To turn it into a leaf, I'm going to just very simply pull this down to have the front of the leaf. That's your top. And then at the back, I'm going to again pull it back and just shape it into a stem. Now if you want, you can smoothen that stem down so that it's all closed. It's really up to you. And then you basically get a little bit of water and start just smoothing the edges so there's no cracks. I'll speed this bit of the video up and you can watch it, see the finished bowl at the end. Okay, there we go. I think that's ready for drying. You saw I shaped the leaf a little bit at the top. I just pushed it over. But really, it's up to you how much or how little you do. I'm going to let this dry now. So to paint my bowls, I'm going to be using some acrylic paints. I like using System 3. It's a brand that you get here in the UK. And for my first bowl, I'm going to use red and yellow, or yellow and red. I've also got this tiny bit of this red left, and I just want to use it up. It doesn't really matter. I just want to, use the colours that you've got. Use the paints that you've got. Let's see if there's anything that I can get out of this. There's a bit in here. And I'm going to speed up the video and you guys can watch this in fast motion. So I'm literally just going to use up what I've got and then, create a lovely leaf bowl. So let's speed this up. Our 2 finished leaf pinch pots. Now these are little desk decorations. You can put I don't know, rings, keys, whatever in it. They're not waterproof, so you can't eat from them unless of course you make them from clay that you can fire in the kiln. But these are ones that you can make at home or in the classroom without the use of a kiln, and they're basically great for little items of jewelry or to, paper clips, that kind of thing, and they just make a really nice little autumn decoration and craft. Great for Thanksgiving, great for fall, great for autumn. Anyway, after all that, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.